මාස් කම්පයින් එක අද උදේ පටන් ගත්තා. හෙට මේක තියෙනවා. අනිවාර්යෙන් මේ ගොවියොන්ට හරි ස්කූල් ළමයින්ට හරි මේක හොඳටම සාර්ථක වෙනවා කියලා අපි හිතනවා. හේන්දලා දැන් එකට කිට්ටුවේ. දෙදකන් මේ ඔක්කොම එක්සිබිෂන් තියෙන අර ඩිවිෂන් ඔක්කොම වලලා තියෙන්නේ. සර් හිතන විදිහට මේක කොහොමද කරලා තියෙන්නේ? ඒක පොද්ද තත්ත්වයේ තියෙනවද? මොනවාරි අඩුපාඩු තියෙනවනේ ඒක කොහොමද අපි ඉදිරියට කරන්න පුළුවන් කියලා ඔයාගේ ෆීඩ්බැක් එක අපි ඉල්ලනවා.
Thank you. Good afternoon. Policy Director, Agriculture Mr. Samayan, Deputy Director, Director, Supervisor, and high officials representing the Ministry of Agriculture, Supervisors, and the Department of Agriculture. First of all, I would like to express my happiness because you have nicely organized exhibition. What's the meaning of exhibition? What's the aspect of exhibition? Then we have to consider about that. I think you have hard work for a long time, 2 or 3 months, to take into this quality. Thank you once again. Thank you for team. Ultimately, what is our ultimate target for the kind of exhibition? And I make some farmers converted into entrepreneurs because of our assistance. Then this must be the target. Today a farmer should be entrepreneur tomorrow. This is our happiness. There are many varieties and many stalls, many areas, demonstrations and many items you have organized and you have planned. Mr. Bhaganesh is a very enthusiastic person, as we know, and good leader, and you have done well with your team. So my target is, we are as an agricultural country, and we have to develop our systems and varieties. We have to add more and more varieties, improved varieties, and we have to get more yield, a big yield. So I think you have enough knowledge, enough skills, and good attitude to achieve this target. And you have a good leader, Mr. Disanayaka. He is always working to betterment of farmers and yeast cultivation. Nowadays we are preparing for product, new varieties and new seed paddy with a nice name. And likewise, we can go for other varieties, paddy, white seed, fruits, and everything. If we have enthusiasm, then we can achieve any target. Nothing is impossible. So shall we work together? Shall we find the new methods and systems and work as a team so we can achieve any target? Thank you so much for your kind invitation for deliver figures, and I wish your exhibition may chance, and ultimately I have to mention, we have to show these things to our students. Then many students are wishing to become other jobs, other positions, but we are agricultural country. So if we can make some more farmers, then it is our happiness. Thank you so much.